Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to LN Studio tutorial 123. And today's topic is how to add a single dot animation in a workflow diagram in ALN Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the next page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select concept sketcher feature because in ALN Studio you can generate a workflow diagram using concept sketcher feature only. I have already generated the diagram for my use case, which is an online shopping system, and it's a step-by-step process from user interaction to payment to everything. And this diagram for me got generated in just 15 to 20 seconds. You guys can also save your time by generating the diagrams using ALN Studio. So today we are talking about the animation. So kindly click on the animation panel, and we are talking about the single dot animation. So if you enable it, you can see a dot moving around the edges, showcasing the working of the diagram. Okay, now if you want to change the size of the dot, you can do it from here. If you want to change the color, you can do it from here. If you want to change the glow color, you can do it from here. If you want to update the glow intensity, you can do it from here. If you want to change the animation speed, you can do it from here. So basically adding a single dot animation in ALN Studio helps you make your workflow diagrams more interactive and easy to understand. So this is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.